Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Anggreni Dia, and with my partner Antoni Sistio Farhan, we from Department of Arsitektur Universitas Budi Luhur Jakarta. Now I want to present my research with the title is the Building Material Engineering for Coronavirus COVID-19 Prevention with the Thermal Ambient in a Two-Story Residential. The basic of my research is the COVID-19 pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic, also known as the coronavirus pandemic, is an ongoing pandemic of coronavirus disease 2019, or we can call the COVID-19, caused by transmission of the acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, or SARS-CoV-2, which was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, China. From that basic, I want to introduce our research. The climate factor with the high temperature and humidity such as Indonesia can help prevent the spread of the coronavirus COVID-19. Some studies show that the high temperature and humidity can reduce the transmission of coronavirus COVID-19. A study states that the coronavirus COVID-19 is similar to the influenza virus, tends to be more stable in environments with the cold and dry temperatures. In an effort to prevent the spread of the coronavirus, the government has implemented a stay-at-home policy during the COVID-19 pandemic. The government implements an appeal to work at home, study at home, and worship at home. By staying at home, the house must be protected from the spread of the coronavirus COVID-19. Then, a study was made to condition the residents with the thermal condition that can reduce the spread of the coronavirus COVID-19. Thermal conditions are measured based on the building material in a two-story residential. This is the state of the art of our study. The first, we must determine the building elements using the material. And the next step, we must determine the alternative material for the building elements. The next step, we must study thermal simulation of each building material. We use the software Ecotech. And the last state of the art, we must study the influence of building material on the thermal ambient. For the case study, we use the story residential with the crescent type in the Green Bintaro Serpong housing. The Green Bintaro Serpong housing use the material from the ceramic and parquet. Walls use the brick and brick hebel. For opening, use the glass and glass with the louvers, and ceiling with the gypsum and GRC, and the roof use the ceramic tile and the concrete tile. This is the picture of the interior of the house. This is the plan. The left is the first plan, and the right side is the second plan. This is the facade. The left is the front facade, and the right is the side facade. And this is the section of the house. For the simulation, we use the software Autodesk Ecotech Analysis 2011. This is the simulation of thermal ambient measurement. Based on the Ecotech simulation on a two-story residential using ceramic floor material, brick walls, glass opening, gypsum ceiling, and the ceramic tile roof. The result ambient of the thermal ambient of the daily average air temperature are 33.6 degrees Celsius. We change the material, specify the floor material. We change with the parquet floor material. The story house of the ceramic floor material has an average daily temperature of 33.6 degrees Celsius, with the parquet flooring material has an average daily temperature is 31.5 degrees Celsius. The ceramic floors have more an impact on high temperature in home than using the parquet floor. And we change the wall material, use the concrete wall material. This two-story house with the brick material has an average daily temperature of 33.6 degrees Celsius. With the concrete wall material has an average daily air temperature of 33.5 degrees Celsius. Brick wall material has a higher impact on the air temperature in residential buildings than the concrete walls. And we change the opening material, we use the sun shading glass material. The two-story house with the glass material has an average daily temperature of 33.6 degrees Celsius, with the sun shading glass material has an average daily temperature of 29.3 degrees Celsius. The glass opening material has a higher impact on the air temperature in the house than the shading glass. And we change the ceiling material, use the gypsum ceiling material. And a two-story residential house with the gypsum ceiling material has an average daily temperature of 33.6 degrees Celsius. With the GRC ceiling material has an average daily air temperature of 33.6 degrees Celsius. There is no temperature difference if the two-story house, if we use gypsum or the GRC ceiling material. And the last, we change the roof material. We use the concrete tile roof material. In a two-story residential house with the ceramic tile roofing material has an average daily temperature of 33.6 degrees Celsius. With the concrete tile roofing material having average daily air temperature of 33.6 degrees Celsius. There is no difference in temperature if in the two-story house use the ceramic tile or the concrete roofing material. So this is the graphic of the residential thermal condition with the various alternative material. You can see in the floor material, wall material, or on the opening material, there is a difference between we use the first material or the second material, but the difference is not too large. And the plafond or roof material, there is no different air temperature if we use the first material or the second material. And the conclusion of our result is the result of the research on the building material engineering for coronavirus COVID-19 prevention with thermal ambient in a two-story residential are the thermal ambient several alternative building material were still above the average tropical climate temperature of the 20 after 27 degrees Celsius. With cloud prevent it's a development coronavirus COVID-19. And the specific of the material, if we use ceramic floor material, has a higher air temperature than a parquet floor material. And if we use the brick wall material, has a higher air temperature than a Hebel brick wall material. And the glass opening material has a higher air temperature than glass material with the sun shading. And if we use the material for the plafond or for the roof material, there is no different temperature. Thank you. We hope our study can be useful for everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.